Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to make an elbow in Solidworks. So let's start. From here select new part and select OK. Now select front plane and make it normal and sketch. Now we are going to draw an arc. So from here select center point arc and select the origin point and we are going to make the arc from here to here. So select smart dimension and keep the dimension of this arc 120 millimeter, and now select OK and sketch out. Now select top plane and sketch. Now draw a circle. So select circle and select this point and make a circle. Now put the dimension. So select smart dimension and keep the diameter of this circle 60 millimeter. Now OK and sketch out. Now from feature select swept boss and base and see the circle is automatically selected here. So from the second option select path and we are going to select the arc and see our body is almost ready. Now we need to shell the parts. So select shell from here and keep the parameters 3 millimeter and select the faces. Those we are going to shell. So select this face and this face. Now select OK. Now see our elbow is almost ready. Now define some color. So select appearance and select the geometry, shell and sweep also. Now from here select color. See, now select OK. See, our elbow is almost ready. So thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and thank you for watching.